In prime time news this evening, COVID spike. Jamaica records the highest number of COVID cases in a day. The opposition calls for protocols to be reviewed. No shortcut. Vaccine Advisory Group says research into COVID immunization drug years in the making. And share the knowledge. The WHO calls on countries ahead in vaccination to share their experience.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day: sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, what new measures do you think can be implemented to curtail the spike in COVID-19 cases? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Stay with us. The Primetime News package returns after this break.